So to this clean bowl, I'm going to add 4 cups of flour, half cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Can you see that? Nutmeg for flavor. Afterwards, you take a spatula and you mix. So after mixing, you add 1 packet of instant dry yeast, 7 grams, and this is how it looks like inside. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see? Then you add it to your mix. Then you add, you mix. You add 400 ml of water. Take it well. And if you see that the 400 ml is not enough, you can add extra 100. But at the end of the day, it should be 500. And so now, as you can see, I'm just gonna mix. I prefer to use my hands because it's better when you use your hands. Go like this. Already we know we are going to have a good puff like this, right? And now I'm just gonna cover it. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for like 40 minutes in a warm environment, 1 hour 30 minutes if it's in normal room temperature. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is cover it with a film, clean film like this. A cloth like this, and then lastly I'm gonna use a pot cover like so. You see, airtight. And then I would put it in a warm environment. If you don't have a warm environment, you can on your microwave for like 30 seconds, turn it off, and then put it inside. So you see, like I said, it's in the microwave. So I'm gonna leave it there for 40 minutes, okay? In 40 minutes we'll be back. Our dough is ready. I can feel it. You can see it. Even without, you can see. This is how you know. This is how you know it's ready. And when I dip my hand inside, you can see. You can see there. This is how you know the puff puff is ready. Okay, and so a clean pot on the fire. I'm gonna add oil because we're gonna deep fry this. Take it like this, cut, and then to the hot oil.